Hi, my name is Spencer Levitt. Ever since I've been playing video games with my co-founder, Austin Pager, I've beaten him well over 300 times, and I've taken over $250 from him. I love to rub all of these numbers in his face, but to be completely honest with you, I have no idea if those numbers are even true. See, this is a simple yet age-old problem that still has not been fixed. Our competitive group of friends have probably played over 1,000 games combined, but are constantly losing track of wins, losses, and money won. When my friend Ross dusted off his old TI-84 calculator to calculate his stats, we knew there had to be a better way. And we're not alone. The stats show that over 70% of Americans play video games with at least one friend, which results in over $12 billion in total video game wagers just this year alone. Now, what if I told you so many of these wagers are happening illegally? Friends are currently using Venmo to bet. And not only does Venmo strictly prohibit these transactions and can leave friends subject to platform bans or fines, they also make it impossible to track any sort of gaming stats. So Austin and I searched for solutions, but every other gaming platform, be it 1UP, Gamer Saloon, Players Lounge, or Unicorn, they all focus on the same thing, pairing up two random strangers across the state, across the country, across the globe for a one-off transactional relationship. No platform provided the social experience that we wanted. No platform catered to the largest percentage of gamers, groups of friends. This is why we exist. In a time where people feel more socially isolated than ever before, we aim to create an infrastructure where social gaming can thrive. So we set out to build what we wished we had when we were gaming with our group of friends. That's why we developed QADE. We make it easier than ever before to track stats with friends, log victories, transfer money, and set up tournaments. We are entirely focused on bringing the social gaming experience to a whole new level. For nearly a year now, Austin and I have been focused on crafting a product that friends love to use. We started with a simple website where we manually entered in hundreds of stats. We failed trying to coordinate with freelancers from Nigeria to Turkey. But most recently, I taught myself how to code through countless hours of tutorials, and we finally have the skills to build this app ourselves. We've secured a 50-state legal opinion, dealt with compliance reviews from Stripe and other payment processors, and the iOS App Store. In the words of Yogi Berra, when we came to a fork in the road, we took it. So here's how it actually works. All you have to do is come onto the app, add friends, and play games on your own time. Right here on the home screen, you can see your lifetime gaming stats by opponent and game, and you can filter it with the click of a button. Let's just say I played Austin. I'll go ahead and click Submit Score in the top right of my apps. I'll go over to the next screen where I can quickly fill in his name, the game we played, and the amount. So here I played Austin in Madden for $4, and as always, I beat him, so I'm going to go ahead and request that amount. He'll immediately get that notification. He'll go ahead and pay it because he lost. And this is where the magic happens. Because he paid the money out, QADE knows he lost, and that goes down in the record books in his stats and my stats. Now that Austin has an itch to get his money back, he heads over to the tournament screen. And we can see he's already registered in quite a few tournaments, one of these being the NU FIFA 20 Xbox tournament. So let's say he clicks on that. Will be immediately taken to a bracket screen that QADE automatically generates for each tournament, where you can track your path from start to crown. We launched just 6 days ago, and with $0 spent on advertising, we already have 366 downloads, 86 tournament participants, and over $120 deposited on our platform. But more importantly, our users are our biggest fans. Every text on this screen, some from people we don't even know, is a real text that we received. For example, Josh from Duke University texted me and let me know that he'll be using this to track 2K with his friends and that right now he just tallies on the wall. I'll give you the spark notes for the rest. People are loving QADE and we know we're onto something. While our focus since day one has been creating a product our users love, we've already started A/B testing and getting feedback on our revenue streams. We have just implemented a 12.5% fee on tournaments, and we're receiving feedback to determine what a QADE Pro monthly subscription will include. Lastly, we plan on leveraging our unique access to gamers and creating an advertising solution for companies that will evolve to be a very well-targeted with the information that we collect on all of our gamers on the platform. As we continue to improve our product and grow our user base, we will optimize this entire social gaming experience. By adding social feeds, betting lines, and supporting more games, we want QADE to be in the pocket of every single gamer. We also plan to double down on statistics in the future and we hold patent pending status on the specific use case of optical character recognition for video game data extraction. If you have any questions about our proprietary technology, we'd love to answer them. Now again, my name is Spencer Levitt. I'm a sophomore at Northwestern studying computer science. And you've heard from me this whole time, and let me tell you about my co-founder, Austin, who's also a sophomore at Northwestern. Austin competed in his first competitive Madden League at 12 years old, and he pairs his passion for gaming with years of startup experience. Early on, he identified a gap in the gaming space and set out to make a change. Studying a combination of economics and learning and organizational change and business institutions, Austin loves to get into the numbers, learn from users firsthand, and craft strategic growth plans. Together, we've been working on QADE for the past year, and we're the team to make this happen because we're building what we wanted in the first place. We now have the skills to do it, and we sleep 5 feet away from our target market in college dorm rooms. Now, we need your help to back our go-to-market plan that centers around product and growth. With $150,000, we will grow our tech team. We'll be able to access gamers across the country with college ambassadors and tournaments for social groups on campuses like fraternities, gaming clubs, and more. Lastly, once we start growing, we'll need some help with regulation and compliance. We know the time is now. Amid the corona outbreak, video game sales are up 63% as people are trapped at home, desperate for competition with friends. Help us take the next steps to change the way friends game. Thank you for your time.